Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Q-L69 1200 megabits per second wireless Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. In the first step, insert the Q-L69 Wi-Fi extender into a wall power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED light becomes stable. This indicates that the extender is powered on and ready for setup. Tip: during the first setup, keep the extender in the same room as the router. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. Usually, it's at the back or side of the router. It may be labeled as WPS or have a lock with Wi-Fi signal icon. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS light on the router will start blinking. This means it's searching for a device to connect. Within those 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Q-L69 extender. After pressing, the WPS LED on the extender will start blinking. This means the extender is trying to connect to the router. Now wait 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, the extender automatically copies router Wi-Fi name, SSID, security settings, or password. When the connection is successful, the WPS or signal LED becomes solid. The extender is now connected to your router. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears like your Wi-Fi name _ext or your Wi-Fi name _2.4G_ext. Select the extended network. Enter the same password as your main router. Now your device will connect through the extender. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such more informative videos.